in this video I am going to show you enable picture in picture on YouTube. So you can follow this step by step guide easily, turn it on. Let's get started. First, take your phone, open the Google Play Store app. Then use the search bar at the very top or bottom menu bar. Here search for YouTube. After you search it, select the app. If you find any update button appear, simply update the YouTube app to the latest version. However, you can see only open button. This means your YouTube app is already up to date. Now open the app and wait to open them. After the app is open, at the bottom menu bar you can see U tab. Simply click on it. After that, tap on the settings gear icon top right corner. Here scroll down slowly. You can find the playback option. Tap on it. At the bottom section you can see picture in picture mode. Right now this option is turned off. Simply tap on the toggle switch to turn it on first. After it enable, go back to the YouTube home feed and play any video if you watch. For example, I am play this video. After the video is successfully played, simply swipe the navigation bar your phone, and right now your picture in picture mode is work. You can also adjust the position, also increase or decrease the size if you like, depend on your mode. That's it, your turn. Thanks for watching. Like this video.